Good day, and thank you for visiting our website at Simtronix.ca. My name is Chris Matthews. I'm the president of Simtronix, and I was asked to do an introductory message for our website as to who we are, and what it is we're all about. Basically, we're a group of retired race car drivers. Most of us have raced for a number of years, and years ago we got into the sim racing. All of us have experience with sim racing. We've been racing for a number of years, tens of thousands of laps on simulators of different kinds. And when we decided to start this company, I talked to a few of my business partners and I mentioned to them the problems I had when I tried to build a race car simulator at home. Mostly, it was the lack of information and the right information, and also the cost of the product. And to get a complete unit through a trial and error, I learned an awful lot. I spent tens of thousands of dollars building everything from a base simulator to one with vibration. Then I went on and built one with motion. I tried a number of different products. Um, I have spent tens of thousands of dollars learning how to not buy a racing simulator. So when I retired from my business, which was retail electronics, for a number of years, I got together with a few buddies who are also race car drivers and sim racers, and mentioned my idea of starting a company to introduce sim racing to the home consumer. It started out with just some conversations, and then we started building a couple of years ago, building our own simulators and our own designs. And finally, we came up with a design that we felt was expandable, reasonably priced, and complete. So basically, our sports system, which is totally expandable up to full motion if you choose to, starts at 19,995 Canadian. It's about $14,900 US. That very system, as you grow with the system, and if you choose to go to motion, it all just attaches to your original purchase, so you don't lose any of your initial investment. That's important because when I built my first simulator at home and then I went to vibration, it didn't work with that. I had to really monkey around with it a lot. Then I wanted to go to motion, so I went to motion. I had to get a whole new chassis and different products as well, and the expense was just overwhelming. Now, how we've designed it is you build your motion, or if you choose to, purchase our sport package, which is a complete unit, triple 43-inch big screen TVs, 180-degree viewing angle, force feedback pedals, force feedback wheels, vibration on the shifter, the pedals, the wheels, a complete racing chassis that's designed by us, as well as a real world racing seat that's very comfortable and it's adjustable 6 different ways. All that is what you need, along with the proper racing computer, the proper platform for the iRacing to utilize. There's a number of things involved in the setup and putting it all together that you have to have not a tremendous amount of knowledge, but knowledge to get it all done. So now what we do, and where the niche in our marketplace is we supply all that complete for $19,995. You cannot go to the marketplace and buy these individual components, put it together, and have the system we have on your own. So because of our bulk ordering and my experience with electronics and my partner's experience in the electronics world, we were able to source all this equipment, build our own stuff, put it together at a price point that the average consumer cannot match or get the quality that we have. From that point on, if you decide to add the vibration to the seat, if the pedals and the wheel and the shifter are not enough vibration and you choose to put the seat vibration, it's a simple add-on. If you choose to go to the full 6 degrees of freedom, 6 DOF or 6 degrees of freedom motion, we have that, and again, it's just an add-on to the system. You don't have to replace anything, you don't have to throw anything away or loss of any funds. And we're also working on a traction loss system in lieu of, which would be in the middle between the sport and the full motion, a traction loss, which gives the back of the chassis that feeling. So when you're turning left and the car starts to break out a little bit, you'll be able to feel that and adjust your driving accordingly. All this is designed by us, and truthfully, will probably upset the market a little bit because our price points are so good. You cannot buy a complete plug and play system ready to go at this level of quality for $19,900. I'm sure you found us online. I'm sure if you check the other sites, you'll find that some people might be priced close in the mid 20s. I'm talking Canadian dollars, but then you still have to buy your seat, and you have to buy your wheel, and you have to buy, and then the assembly is not as easy as what ours is. Now we do also on-site assembly if you choose us to do that, but basically our systems are plug and play. They're put together in our shop. They're tested out. We load up everything that you need to load into it, and you're good to go. I know I've gone on a little bit too much, but I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the company and who we are. Thank you, and enjoy your racing.